Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Minggari Hadi, the student of Indraprastha University, PGRI. In this time, I will presentation the title Enhancing Speaking Skill Through Stories. Teaching narrative text is designed to guide students through the art of storytelling to improve their oral communication. Introduction to narrative. Understanding narrative text is crucial for developing speaking skill, as it enhances fluency, coherence, and storytelling ability in language learner. In this presentation, I have the narrative text overview. The first, definition. The second, important, and the third is learning objectives. What is a narrative? In the definition, the narrative text tell a story effectively. And the second, important. Why do we use it speaking? Because enhance fluency and storytelling abilities. And the third, what should students achieve by the end of this lesson? The learning objective, understand, structure, and practice oral storytelling. Key component of the narrative text. The goal, understanding the core building blocks of a story. Key narrative element, explain that for a student to speak. Key narrative elements, explain that for a student to speak clearly. They must first understand how these elements fit together to create a complete picture for the listener. Understanding the core component of the storytelling. The first is setting, characters, sequence of event, problem, and resolution. What the setting? Setting is establish the time and place of the story. Character. What is the character? Character is developed individual who drive the narrative forward. And sequence of event. Sequence of event outline the order in which action unfold. The last, problem and resolution. That is, introduce conflict and their subsequent solution. We have teaching tips for effective strategies narrative text. To teach narrative text, have the element effectively use relatable example, engage students in interactive storytelling, and encourage creative expression, fostering a supportive environment for practicing their speaking skill. We have teaching strategies and activities. What about that? The first is storytelling. The second is role-playing. The third is group storytelling. And the fourth is story maps. About the storytelling, encourage students to retell stories using prompt or visual aid, enhancing their comprehension and accuracy by summarizing key plot points and practicing narrative flow. The second, role-playing. Role-playing facilitates role-playing the dialogue based on narrative text, allowing science and develop character voice, fostering creativity and conversation skill in a fun setting. The third, group storytelling. Organize group storytelling chain where each student contribute a sentence or idea to build a narrative together, promoting collaboration and active participation in story creation. And the fourth, story maps. Utilities story maps to help students outline their narrative visually, guiding them in organizing their thoughts and ensuring coherent story structure before presenting orally. Encouraging fluency. Fostering fluency and accuracy in a narrative speaking builds student confidence. Incorporating diverse active encourage learner to practice effectively, enhancing their overall communication skill and storytelling abilities. Assessment approaches. The goal is measuring progress and encouraging natural speed. Evaluating narrative speaking skill is crucial for understanding student progress. Effective methods include self-assessment, peer review, and constructive teacher feedback to enhance learner communication abilities. What the self-assessment? The self-assessment is encouraging students to reflect on their own performance. What is peer reviews? Peer reviews is students giving constructive feedback to one another. And the last, teacher feedback. What is it? Teacher feedback is professional guidance on pronunciation, grammar, and delivery. Conclusion. The significance of narrative tech. Narrative tech is a powerful tool for boosting student confidence and communication skill by understanding the core elements and practicing actively. Students can convey ideas more clearly and engagingly. Importance of narrative. Narrative tech is crucial for enhancing language skill. It fosters fluency and coherence, allowing learners to express truth and ideas through engaging storytelling and clear communication. Core narrative elements. Understanding core elements like setting and character help learners structure their narrative. This organization improves speaking clearly, making stories easier to following and more engaging for listener. Thank you very much for your attention. I think it's enough for this presentation, and I hope it's useful for you. Thank you.